Components of ADL311S spray dryer are as follows. Unit body. Glass set, GF300. Install GF300 glass set. Install 2 bolts on the right first. Do not tighten them. Install the distributor. Make sure that the accessory parts are complete before installation. Align the 2 openings of the distributor with the 2 bolts. Install the 3rd bolt. Tighten the bolts. The distributor and the top seat must be installed evenly, otherwise the drying chamber may be improperly installed. Install the pipe. Insert the pipe from bottom to top into the thread in the center of the distributor and screw it in. Stop when it doesn't move, otherwise it is easy to break the thread. Install the drying chamber. After aligning the 2 notches on the bottom of the drying chamber into the lifter positioning pin, place the drying chamber on the lifter. Hold the drying chamber with left hand, open the cover with right hand. Turn the knob clockwise to raise the drying chamber until it stops. Ensure that the drying chamber is securely installed. Install the outlet temperature sensor. Make sure the sealing strip is complete. Install the tray for product collecting container. Install the cyclone. Install the product collecting container. Make sure it is well sealed. Connect the suction hose. Install the ground cable. 1 end clips to the clamp on the product collecting container. The other end is clipped to any metal part of the unit body. Install the nozzle from the top. Connect the spray air connector. Install the liquid sending hose. One end is put into the sample cup. The other end is connected to the nozzle. Connect the exhaust hose. Connect the other end of the exhaust hose to outdoor or negative pressure environment. Connect the compressed air hose. The other end is connected to the compressed air, and adjust the pressure value to 0.1 megapascals. Installation of spray dryer is completed. Start to operate. Ensure that the power supply meets the power requirements of the unit. Press the bottom on the right side of the unit to power on. Press the bottom in the front of the unit to power on. Click blower on the screen to run the blower. Adjust the air volume. Click heater on the screen to start heating. Turn the toggle switch up to control the outlet temperature and down to control the inlet temperature. Generally choose to control the inlet temperature. Set the temperature. Wait until the actual temperature reaches the set value. Click Pump FWD on the screen to run the liquid sending pump. Adjust the spray pressure to about 0.1 megapascals. Adjust liquid volume. Pump starts sending liquid. The nozzle starts spraying.